Google is taking me through the inroads of the town, and Google is a dumbass sometimes. Just size of his tomb shows you that he was a very important person. Imagine coming across this at night. Oof. And the bodies were buried down here. What? Acha ji, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. चाय बना दिए और हम अभी लाहौर से जा रहे हैं सियालकोट से इस्लामाबाद। इस लाहौर और सियालकोट के रास्ते में देयर इज़ अ टूम फ्रॉम द मुगल एरा। अभी तो सनराइज हो रहा है। होपफुली कोई फॉग ना मिले हमको, मोटरवे के ऊपर बंद ना होए बस। But look at that fog, man. Lahore Sialkot motorway pe you have to have an M tag now, where you have to buy the sticker and you put it on the car. Vehicle documents and ID card to put the M tag. तो कैश वाला चक्कर, कैश वाला भाईजान खत्म हो गया बिल्कुल। चलो जी M tag लगा देने, काम आसान हो जाएगा। ऑटोमेटिक गेट पहली बार M tag के साथ। No, this, yeah, there we go. Open sesame. The tomb of the Mughal, ये आपको उतरना पड़ेगा नारोवाल मुरिद की रोड के ऊपर। You'll go west and उधर से आगे I think 20 किलोमीटर और आगे है, फिर वो तो छोटी रोड है। तो अब let's see, I need to fill up the gas up there. Hopefully there's a gas station on this road. Alright, well I was able to find a gas station. Petrol thoda dal diya hai. There's very few potholes, but it's like this road has been repaired over and over again. It's like a Frankenstein, basically. So what is this over here? It's a marquee. हमारे मुल्क में मार्कियों को ना ऐसे बना के रखा होता है। मार्की आपको हर जगह मिल जाएगी। You know, गाँव में जहाँ भी जाओ, anywhere you'll find wedding halls. Wedding halls पे तो भाई they make a lot of money. Small road that will take us to the Maqbara. It's called Maqbara. Maqbara is tomb, I'm guessing. मेरी भी उर्दू यार माठी है तो मैंने भी forgive कर दो, मैंने इतनी जब पूछना है तो मकबरा का पूछें। So we're now on the small village roads. That should take us there. It's about 20 minutes left, 15 minutes left. So, as usual, Google is taking me through the inroads of the town, and Google is a dumbass sometimes. As long as we make it out from here, we should be good. We're almost out. But thank you, Google, for taking me through God knows where. Google यार तू भी जो है ना यार समझदार नहीं है। Alright, so we're finally out of the village. We had to go through there, or I don't even know if we had to, but Google made me go through there. So let's see. Wait, oh no, this is probably not the way to go. Let me ask somebody. The guy behind who had the 2 cows, he said you can go through here, no problem, just go. Should be no problem. It's just a little ways like this. It's just like my village, you know, same thing. I'm gonna wait till that cart passes. In the meantime, look at this tree. Is it a banyan tree? I'm not sure the name, but imagine coming across this at night. Oof. That's the road I should have been on, and that's the pull. So okay, now we go left from here. Phew, finally. And that's the Pakki road. Google took me through the wrong way. Stupid Google. I should have been on a metal road. When you go off-roading, you end up appreciating even these roads, even though this is very broken up. I don't know if this is the only way to get here, then I do not recommend it, obviously. जब तक ये ठीक नहीं करते रोडें. But there it is in the distance. Let's go check it out. Okay ji, there's the place. We are here. The access is pretty much no access. It's very difficult to get here. Well, that's a pretty big place. Seems like they have a restoration going on over here. Idhar hi park kar lete hain and let's go explore. ये है मकबरा टूम ऑफ इकबाल नबी। वो था कोई गवर्नर बन गया था इनका, जहांगीर का, और one of the Mughals. Some say under Akbar's rule this was made, and it's really off the beaten path. It's not really, it's very way off the GT road as well. So they say maybe this person, he was traveling somewhere and he died on the way, so then they made his tomb. But with such a big tomb, it means he was a very important person. There's also a rumor, just a rumor, कि ये जिन्होंने एक रात में बनाया था, ये भी rumor है. But look, I like the restoration हो रही है, काम शाम चल रहा है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. तो restoration कर रहे हैं ये, पूछते हैं कौन सा department कर रहा है इधर काम. It's nice, everywhere we go to the historical sites, the work is being done. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
क्या हाल है जी भाई? ठीक है, खैरियत है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ये सारा रिस्टोरिंग का काम अभी जारी है. तो ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से
जी
सारा हो रहा है. तो इधर रोड मेन कौन सी आ रही है? मैं तो बड़ा इधर गाँव शाव के अंदर से हो के टूटी फूटी रोडों से
आना पड़ता है.
उधर से ही आना पड़ता है.
इधर से भी आते हैं, इधर से भी आते हैं.
इधर से भी है.
हाँ जी.
तो कौन सी बेहतर है? ये ज़्यादा पक्की है?
ये बेहतर है.
बस ठीक है. ये इकबाल नबी की है, गुलाम नबी. अच्छा अच्छा. और ये किनके दौर में था? अकबर के?
ये अकबर के दौर में.
अकबर के दौर है. अच्छा. और कब्रें नीचे इनकी?
हाँ जी, तुर्बत नीचे है.
ठीक है.
फिलहाल तो वो शहीद की हुई है, नहीं भरनी है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. चले मैं ज़रा अंदर
आप देख रहे हैं.
There's a very steep staircase to go upstairs. Okay, so they have started restoring inside as well. ये सीमेंट सारा लगा के ना पक्का कर रहे हैं इसको. अच्छी बात है, रिस्टोर करें तो फिर रोडें भी बना दें पक्की, तो फिर लोग आएँ इधर. एंड यू नो बिकॉज़ दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री. ये मुग़ल के दौर की एक मॉन्यूमेंट है उस टाइम की, ठीक है ना, उसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन. एंड काफ़ी इस पे लगता है काम शाम से ही बहुत डिटेल्ड काम हुआ है. इतना बड़ा मकबरा बनाने का मकसद ये, he was a very important person. That means whoever he was, Ghulam Nabi is his name. There's very little info on him, but ये है कि he काजी थे उनके अकबर के. That's what they say. And during the Mughal Empire, 1500s, mid 1500s ऐसे कुछ. And he was traveling somewhere, या तो exile हो गए थे, या कह रहे हैं हज करने जाए थे, या इनकी पोस्टिंग पे कहीं जा रहे थे. And he died on the way. टूम इधर बना दी थी. So why have they made the staircases so steep? Is what I'm wondering. So you can climb up them, obviously. ऊपर जाके क्या मिलेगा आपको? वही, it's just a view. And the minars are, well, that one's broken, but this one's intact. So it's good if they do restore it. अच्छा, इसकी dome था, it was bronze, and there are some old pictures with the bronze dome intact. But over the years, you know, thieves have come and taken the bronze off the top. So it must have been amazing back in the day, and I'm sure those minarets also had bronze on them, probably. The tomb is down there. That's where he's buried. And so this is just like what, a vent, or to provide light down there and air. But it's big enough for a door, so I'm wondering maybe this has been covered up now. There's 3 graves down there. In the middle, they say, is Ghulam Nabi himself, and then 2 on the side must have been his aides, or I'm not sure. It's an entire grave site. I guess the entire area is a graveyard, and this is the main one what started it all. Okay. So this is the tomb, and I don't know if you can go down here. No, there's mud here, so I'm not going to go any further. But that's where the light was. On that side, the ventilation, and the bodies were buried down here at the end, I guess. But abhi wo graves nazar nahi aa rahi hain, and you can't really walk on that because that's muddy. So they said they're restoring this down here. Maybe they moved the graves, I'm not sure. Thing is ना, देखो locals को भी अब मिलता है, jobs मिल जाते हैं, जो भी इधर के होते हैं उनको मजदूरी मिल जाती है, and if the government fix up the roads as well, तो फिर लोग भी आएंगे देखेंगे, because it is a heritage site Mughals की. But right now it's inaccessible. इधर नहीं आ सकते हैं. आ सकते हैं जैसे मैं आ गया हूँ, but मैं if you're adventurous you can make it here. If you're a very big history buff you can make it here. लेकिन मुश्किल काम है. तो अभी हम जाएंगे सियालकोट पे, मोटरवे पे चढ़ना है, but I'm going to go the other way this time. He said that road is much better from that side because I came from this side and it was very, very bumpy. So this is Mughal architecture from Akbar's period. So Akbar was the son of Babur. Babur was the main, the first Mughal emperor, and he had 5 sons. Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun, and 2 more, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb I think was the youngest, I'm not sure. Akbar was the one who had the most famous or longest rule, or maybe the most powerful or most impactful rule. And this Ghulam Nabi served under him. He was a Qazi teacher hota hai. So, and then some say this guy was a governor, made a governor of Wazirabad was the area. So there's conflicting stories, but yeah, he was a very important person, and yeah, his name is Ghulam Nabi. Just because the size of his mausoleum, his tomb, shows you that he was a very important person with the amount of hard work and everything. Acha ji, that's the tomb. Another thing crossed off the, it wasn't really on the bucket list, but shortlisted thing. And now let's hopefully get on the Sialkot motorway. Finally, man, we're on the motorway again. Oof. Now it's only 45 minutes away, Sialkot. After what I've been through, I won't recommend coming here at all unless off-road gaadi hai aur aap bahut adventurous hai and you want to see, you're into Mughal architecture and history, to aa jaye. But until they've made the repairs to the roads, it's quite off the main track, yaar. So I would not recommend it right now. But yaar, motorway mein chad ke na jo sukoon milta hai, oof, compared to that, ye to airplane runway hai ye. Chale ji, let's get on the motorway. Hello ji, we are on the motorway headed to Sialkot. Thank you for watching, and don't go there unless you really want to. ठीक है, तो चलें आपको एक चीज़ ऐसी दिखा दी है जो मैं खुद भी बड़ी मुश्किल से ऐसे देखता अगर मुझे पता होता था कि ट्रूथ ऐसा ही है. एंड कमेंट करें आपको अगर पता है इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ डिटेल, तो प्लीज़ डू शेयर व्हाट यू नो. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट? उस गाड़ी का कुछ उतर के गिरा है. I don't know, I saw it on the road. Anyways, doesn't matter. Hopefully it's not my car. Okay, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.